Hi everyone, my name is Robert Inoma. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delegate Livepeer tokens on the Livepeer network. To get started, we're going to need to have Livepeer tokens on Ethereum and also a crypto wallet. So I'm going to use MetaMask today. And if I just get my wallet open, I have some Ethereum and I have some Livepeer tokens. So that's the first step. You need a crypto wallet, you need Ethereum, and you need Livepeer tokens. Once you get your Livepeer tokens on Ethereum, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to the Arbitrum bridge. So it's bridge.arbitrum.io. That's the website. And through the Arbitrum bridge, you're going to be able to migrate your Livepeer tokens from layer one, the Ethereum mainnet, to layer two, which is the Arbitrum layer two solution that Livepeer uses. There are a bunch of options as well from central exchanges. I know you're able to move over your tokens, but for this video, I'm just going to walk over the process through the Arbitrum bridge. So to get started, after heading over to the Arbitrum bridge, I'm going to move over my Livepeer tokens from the main net to Arbitrum 1. So in this instance, my balance is I have 1.4 LPT. I'm going to move over 1 LPT to Arbitrum 1. And once I type that in there, it gives me a quick summary of the cost and like the gas fees I'm going to pay on layer 1 and layer 2. So I'm going to click move funds over. This is transacting with the blockchain, so I do have to approve it. Okay, so 10 minutes. And once this is done, I'm going to do the same process for Ethereum because we're going to need both Livepeer tokens and Ethereum on layer 2. Okay, so we have 6 minutes left for the Livepeer tokens to move over to layer 2. In the meantime, I am able to move my Ethereum to layer 2, so I'm just going to get that started. So I have 0.01 Ethereum. I'm just going to move all to layer 2 and just going to generate a summary. So this is how much I'm moving. And in terms of fees, I'm going to pay about $4 in fees. So click move funds. And again, it's transacting with the blockchain. So I have to approve this. And 10 minutes. So both my Livepeer tokens and Ethereum have been bridged over to layer 2. And just like I mentioned a few seconds ago, if you have Livepeer tokens or Ethereum on one of these central exchanges, you can bridge them over directly to Arbitrum without having to go on the Arbitrum bridge. Or you can also use fiat on ramps like a bunch of these written below here. Okay, so now the tokens have been bridged over. What we're going to do is we're going to head over to the Livepeer Explorer. So that's explorer.livepeer.org. So the Explorer gives an insight into the Livepeer network's health. If you want to get metrics on the fees, if you want to get metrics on inflation rates, video usage, number of delegators or orchestrators, you can find that all here. In terms of delegating tokens, the orchestrator list here gives you an overall picture of performance and forecasted yield. So, for example, this orchestrator right here, if I delegate with them, forecasted yield is 35%. And it also gives you some metrics on the current stake and the trailing fees. Okay, so I'm going to pick the first orchestrator. And as you can see, we have a bunch of metrics on the page as well. So we have the total number of delegated stakes. So this orchestrator currently has 350 LPT delegated towards them. They're active. They have 30 over 30 reward calls. That means they're actively calling rewards, which is beneficial for the delegators. You have price per pixel. You have the reward cut. So what that means is this orchestrator takes 1% of the reward cut that they receive and they distribute the remaining 99% to the delegators. Fee cut is the same. So they keep 50%, they distribute the remaining 50%. Time active, they have been active on the network as orchestrators for 6 months. So this page just gives you an overall picture of the performance. For now, what we want to do is we want to delegate our Livepeer tokens. So my balance is 2.9. I can choose to delegate all, or I can decide to delegate one token as an example. In this instance, I'm just going to delegate all. And it's as simple as that. You click how much you want to delegate in LPT, click the green button, confirm the transaction on your wallet, and it's going to charge a very small fee from that. And it basically gives me a summary of what I'm about to do and a congratulations message. So I'm currently delegated to this orchestrator. If I want to undelegate, all I have to do is click the second button here and either select max or select how much LPT I want to undelegate, and that's the same process. So that's the process of delegating your Livepeer tokens on Livepeer. If you have any questions or you encounter any problem, please join the Livepeer Discord and ask your questions and someone will help you out. Thank you.